Hey there, homeowners. John here with Joyland, and a question we get all the time is, do I need a permit for my window, door, siding, gutter replacement? So I want to answer those questions for you today. It's kind of interesting because the rules in Lancaster County are different and somewhat confusing depending on the township that you're in. So Lancaster City, for instance, is different than Manheim Township or Upper Leacock Township or Leola or something like that. So today, we're going to cut through that confusion and kind of give you a rundown of whether or not you need a permit in specific townships and based on the type of work that we're going to be doing. So first up is gutters. Do we need a permit for gutter replacement? Pretty much 99% of the time, the answer is going to be no. However, if you're in Lancaster City in a historic district specifically, you probably will need, and that kind of goes across the board for historic houses. If you're in a historic district, you're going to need permit for windows, doors, gutters, pretty much anything in the house. So for gutters and permits, most of the times, not going to be needed. For a historic place, you probably will. You're talking probably $50 to $100 for a gutter permit if you do need it. Okay, now let's talk about siding. So you want to get your siding replaced on your house. Do I need a permit for that? This one's similar to gutters. If you're not doing structural changes, a lot of townships do not require a permit. So Manheim Township, Millersville, some places in Lancaster do not. So if you're just replacing one color of siding for another color of siding or one style for another siding but doing no structural changes, they consider that kind of a like-for-like change, and a lot of townships do not require permits for that. Okay, window replacement. Do I need a permit for a window replacement? This answer kind of depends on one question. Are you changing the size of the window, or the opening rather, or is it staying exactly the same? You're not changing the frame of the window itself, where the window fits in, you probably won't need a permit in most townships. So kind of the rules that you want to keep in mind for window replacement is, am I changing the size of the window where we're having to deal with the framing of the wall? Or maybe we're knocking an entirely new hole into a wall where there's no window and putting a window in. Those kinds of places will need a permit because you're dealing with the structural changes to the house wall. But if you're just doing a like for like, where it's one window for another, same size, same opening, no structural changes, most townships do not require a permit for that. So if you do need a permit for a window, what might the cost be? You can expect usually $50 to $150. Do I need a permit for replacing my front door? That kind of goes along the same rules as replacing windows. If it's a like for like installation, where you're pulling the old door out and putting the new door back in the same space, then a permit is most times not required. But if you're enlarging the opening, or making the opening smaller for a more narrow door, or you're adding side lights, or maybe a transom across the top, all of those things will require a permit because you're dealing with the structural changes of the house wall. Pricing for that, you can expect $50 to $150 for a door replacement if you are going into structural changes. Check with your contractor when you get quotes for one of these services. When you get a quote for a window or a door or something like that, a lot of times contractors can check into permitting specifically for your municipality, and will do that for you for a small fee. But if you want to forego that fee, a lot of times contractors like Joyland will also allow you to call your township, and most times it's a simple 1 to 2 minute call of, hey, I'm in the township, I'm doing X, Y, and Z, and do I need a permit or not? When you have a project, whether you take care of the permit or whether we do, it is best to check with your specific township just to be sure you're safe. So my advice is always double check with your township on whether or not a permit is required. But hopefully this has been helpful to kind of guide you along and give you some expectations of how much that might cost.